So my Karen neighbor keeps calling the cops on me. She says that I am neglecting my dog by leaving him in the backyard all day when it's 30 degrees. So the cops sent me a cease and desist letter stating that if I don't put clothing or a jacket on my Husky, then they will take legal action. And they also gave me a $500 fine. So at this point, I have to start putting a jacket on Hershey. I know he's not supposed to have one, and that's what everyone says, that he's okay without one, but I just don't want to keep getting fined, and I don't want to go to court for this. So is this okay to do? Like, should I be putting a jacket on my Husky? Or should I fight this? Should I contact a lawyer at this point? My Karen neighbor does not stop, and it's frustrating. It's really frustrating at this point. Like, what would you do? What would you do? So the neighbors called the cops on me again. This is the fifth time they've done this in the past month. And when the cops showed up late at night, they told me that the neighbors reported a frozen dog in the backyard. When I opened up my door, I just told them it's Hershey and he's loving the snow. And the cop insisted and said, no, 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 no. That dog is frozen. You need to get him inside or put a jacket on him. I said, are you serious, guy? A jacket on a Husky? He said he was going to give me another fine if I did not put a jacket on him.